Hi guys, hi Nevada Virtual Academy. Feels good. Today is Friday afternoon. Let's do one more problem. Proficiency exam is almost here. 186. Which of the following is equivalent to the equation shown above, right? And you have A, B, C, and D. What can we do? Well, do you guys remember proportions? When you have a proportion A over B equals C, hold on, equal, I told you it's Friday, equals C over D, first of all, you have to mention that B should be different than 0, D should be different than 0, right? We know that. The cross product should be equal. So basically, first diagonal's product, A times D, should be equal to the other one, B times C. Well, why don't you go ahead and do the same thing here, right? Multiply 20 times x minus 5. It will be 20 times x minus 5. And that should equal the other cross product, 4 times x times 4, right? And the answer is B. As you guys can see, easy problem. Many of you were probably able to answer that just by reading it. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, hi all. Um, which equation is equivalent to x plus 3 over 8 equals 2x minus 1 over 5? Same story, but in this case we require to do one more step and simplify each one of the expressions, right? So first of all, go ahead, first diagonal, x plus 3 times 5, or I can say 5 times x plus 3, because we know that a times b is the same as b times a, because multiplication is commutative, right? Commutative, whichever way is pronounced, equals 8 times 2x minus 1. Next step, distribute this 5 here to everything inside the parentheses, right? Would be 5 times x, 5x plus 5 times 3, 15, equals, same story here, 8 goes to 2x and 8 goes to negative 1. I have 8 times 2x, 16x, minus 8 times 1, 8. Okay? Is there anything else we have to do? I don't think so, because it seems to be option B. Okay, these are simple problems. You may have one of your proficiency exam questions that will look like this. And I know it sounds unbelievable, but some of the questions are really easy. Which of the following is equivalent to this expression? All right, let's see this one. 9 minus 3x greater than or equal, I'm sorry, 4 times parenthesis 2x minus 1, close the parenthesis. Okay, well, you have to multiply that 4 to everything inside, okay? And your inequality becomes 9 minus 3x, doesn't change, greater than 4 times 2x, 8x, minus 4 times 1, 4. Move your x on one side, right? Whichever side you want. Well, I prefer the right. In this case, I'm adding 3x, and this 4, this minus 4 here should go away. I'm adding 4, that will make it 0. And you add 4 to both sides because you don't want to change this inequality. 9 plus 4, 13, minus 3x plus 3x, 0. The inequality sign does not change. 8x plus 3x is going to be 11x. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. And this is your answer. Which one is the same? B, right? B seems to be the answer. You guys are done. You move on. You may have a problem, a question on your proficiency exam that will be exactly like this one. Let's try another one. Which of the following is equivalent to this one? So here you have to simplify an algebraic expression, right? Remove the parentheses by multiplying, right? I have 4 times x, 4x, plus 4 times 5 plus 20, minus 3 times x, which is 3x. Now be careful, is the negative sign outside, would be minus 3 times 2, right? Minus 6 equals 14. Combine your like terms. No, you don't have to do that in here, because as you can see, the answers are in the unsimplified form. 4x plus 20 minus 3x minus 6. What is the answer? A. Okay. the others are different. And where is the trick? Right here, when you have to multiply by this 3 and you have a negative, right? Supposing I'm just multiplying by 3, I'm putting that negative there, and I have 3 times x, 3x plus 3 times 2, 6. But that negative sign in front will change the sign on everything inside the parentheses, right? So 3x becomes minus 3x, and 6 becomes minus 6, right? Plus 6 becomes minus 6. And that's how I got minus 3x minus 6. All right, let's try another one. These are very easy problems, guys. I'm just trying to make sure that you're paying attention to the details, right? Same story here. Left side does not change. Minus 2x greater than 3 times x. 3x minus 3 times 2, 6. What is the answer? C. Okay, let's move on. All right, what is the reciprocal of ax squared over y? Reciprocal of a will be what? 1 over a, right? So you flip the whole thing. What is the reciprocal of this one? Well, just flip it and will be y on the top, okay? And I can look at all of them. If y is not on the top, or this one, y is on the top, I'm sorry. Y is on the top, that one is good. This one not good. Okay, now what else? I have a positive one. This one is negative, not good, and that's why the answer is this one. And as you guys can see, yes, when you flip that fraction, you get y over ax squared. This is the way you solve this type of problems. Let's try another one. What are all possible values of x such that 10 times absolute value of x equals 2.5? How are you going to solve that? Well, solve the equation. I have an absolute value equation, right? My pen is refusing to write. Okay, 10 times absolute value of x equals 2.5. To solve it, you can divide right now by 10 before you do anything, right? Divide by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. Absolute value of x equals 2.5 divided by x. You guys remember that when you divide by multiples of 10, you move your decimal to the left as many steps, as many zeros you have, right? So this will become 0.25. And now, as usual, what I said, you will have two equations here. Just remove the brackets, right? Take these brackets away. I have x equals. One of them will be exactly the same like the previous one without the brackets, equals to 0.25. The other one will be the same, except the number on the right will have a different sign. Okay? And these are your two solutions. You're looking here at the answers, 0.25 and negative 0.25. This is the answer, A, and you got it. You're done with it. Okay? All right, thank you.